Oh, because I was about to say. They making mad noise in the hallway. Said they making mad noise in the hallway. Hey beauties, it is your favorite inconsistent queen that is trying to be consistent, Jessica Nicole. And in today's video, we will be doing my makeup when it is too hot for makeup. Okay, this is it. It may look like I got a whole bunch of stuff on, but I promise you, I don't. So if you guys want to know how to achieve this look, stay tuned. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, both of my pages. And yeah, enjoy. Okay, guys, so as you guys can see, your girl is starting off with nothing on her face. So we're going to be doing the full face together. So yeah, it's too hot for makeup. So we're going to do what I do in the summer when I ain't trying to put too much on, but I still want to look good. Yeah. All right, so first things first, we're going to start off with brows. I always start off with brows halfway because it just is easier for me. So the first thing I'm going to be using is my brow lift from E.L.F. And I'm just going to be using like a little spoolie to pick up some of the product to brush it all the way through my brows. And before even filling my brows in, I'm just going to go in with some of my Laura Mercier powder on a powder puff. I'm gonna just make sure I set that in place. For my brow pencil, I will be using my Morphe brow pencil in Java. To clean my brows up, of course, I will be using my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in Caramel. My brows looking real thick-alicious. For the eyes, we're doing something really quick, really quick, literally just some bronzer in the crease. I'm just going to go ahead and pop some of this concealer on my eyelids and blend this completely out. I'm just setting it with whatever translucent powder I have left on the puff. So I'm using my Fenty Beauty bronzer powder. This is in Mocha Mami. We're not doing anything crazy. For my eyes, I always need a handheld mirror because I need to see what's going on. Bronzer in the crease. Literally all we need for the eye. So supposedly we're not supposed to use primer with this skin tint that I'm using, but I do anyway. I just don't use as much. Like, I don't apply it on my face. I apply a little bit on my hands. And I blend this all around the face. Of course, I'm using my Power Grip Primer from E.L.F. So before I apply my skin tint, I'm going to go ahead and just apply some concealer under my eyes first. For my first concealer, I'll be using my Instant Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline, and I'm again just popping this under the eye. So now that's on, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop. This is a blurring skin tint, and this is in the color number 20. Now, of course, I placed this on the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna take my finger and place some around my face. Now, usually you guys see me use a brush to apply my products, but with this skin tint, because I don't want a bunch of makeup on my face, I'm going to go ahead and use my beauty blender. I'm still gonna highlight my forehead a bit and just pop a little bit of this in my inner corner. And I'm also going to use a little bit of my cream blush. And this is my Putty blush from E.L.F. in Caribbean. I'm just popping that on my cheeks. And I'm just putting cream blush because I know that blush fades really fast. After doing that, I'm just gonna blend this concealer out with the same sponge. Literally, that is all I'm going to do as far as liquid. So I'm gonna just go ahead with my Superfix from Makeup Revolution. I'm gonna take my sponge and I'm just gonna tap all of that into my face. So we're gonna go ahead and start setting. So to set, first I'm going to use, of course, my Sweet Honey setting powder from One Size Beauty. Before I set my face, I have a mole here that is going to show through the skin tint because the skin tint is so light. So no, just going to put it back because it belongs there. I'm going to go ahead with my mineralized skin finish from MAC and a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to just set all the areas that I did not set. I'm going to take the tiniest amount of my bronzer. Because it is a little red, I don't like to use it too much. I'm just going to give my nose like a quick contour, nothing crazy. I'm going to, of course, use my Laura Mercier powder, and I'm just gonna quickly bake under the eyes. So now I'm just gonna quickly pop some lashes on and do my brows. I'm literally just putting some of the pencil towards the end of my brow where it's a little more sparse. So now I'm gonna go back in with my MAC powder, and I'm just gonna tap that powder away. Now we're gonna follow with some Fenty bronzer. You gotta bring that color back, boo. And then I'm gonna follow with some blush. I'm gonna use a peachy color today. Some mascara on my bottom lashes. And just a tiny bit of highlight. Because I'm not really a highlight girly anymore. I'm just using it because it's summertime. Okay, so onto the lippy. Just sprayed my face with my Makeup Revolution Superfix spray, and then followed with my One Size spray, and then fan my face. So now we're just gonna move on to the lip. The lip is pretty quick. It's summertime, so we are doing glosses. Okay, first things first, I'm gonna line with my Kiss pencil in coffee brown. This is the Sephora glossed lip gloss, and this is in Blessed. Okay guys, so here's your finished look. It is pretty quick, okay? I don't feel like I have a whole bunch of makeup on, especially because of the skin tint. And I still look like I'm going out and I am glam, and that's what I like about it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all social medias, and I'll see you guys in my next video.